You can use AirTag to keep track of your keys, wallet, and more, and help locate them if they're ever misplaced. Here's how to get started. We'll show you how to set up your AirTag and how to locate an item that's gone missing. Before you start, update your iPhone to iOS 14.5 or later, and make sure Find My is enabled and Bluetooth is turned on. Also, your iPhone must be connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or your cellular data. If you have more than one AirTag, you should set them up one at a time. First, let's set up your AirTag with your iPhone and choose which item you'd like to keep track of. Remove the protective film from your AirTag and gently pull the plastic tab from the battery. You'll then hear the AirTag play a welcome sound. Now bring your AirTag and your iPhone next to each other, and a prompt will appear on your iPhone to guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen steps to finish setting it up, and then secure the AirTag to your item. If your item goes missing, you can use Find My to help you track it down. In Find My, tap Items and look for your AirTag on the map. You'll see the time and place of its last known location in the items list at the bottom of the screen. Tap an item from the list to take a closer look. If it looks like your item is nearby, but you can't find it, tap Play Sound and listen for a chime. If you're using an iPhone with ultra-wideband, including any iPhone 11 model or any iPhone 12 model, and if the item is in Bluetooth range, you'll see a button that says Find. Otherwise, the button will say Directions and will open maps to lead you to the last known location of your item. Tap Find to get help finding your item's precise location. Then, move your iPhone around your space a bit. Once your iPhone connects to your AirTag, an arrow will point you in the right direction and tell you approximately how many feet away it is. There it is. Tap the X to go back once you've found it. If you're still unable to track down your item, you can put it in Lost Mode to get help recovering it. Lost Mode is available on all AirTag-compatible devices. Just swipe up on the handle, then look for Lost Mode and tap Enable. With Lost Mode turned on, you'll receive a notification the next time your AirTag is in range of your iPhone, or its location has been updated by the Find My network. Your AirTag will stay associated with your Apple ID unless you unpair it yourself. And if someone finds your item while it's in Lost Mode, they can use their iPhone or any NFC-capable device to touch the AirTag and learn how to reach you. To finish setting up Lost Mode, tap Continue and follow the on-screen steps. And that's how AirTag can help you keep track of and find your most important things. To learn more about your Apple products, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click another video to keep watching.